Wow, it's been a while since we've gone out and done a fun adventure, but here we are. What are we doing today?
We're gonna go to the Crab and Shrimp Festival.
So we're gonna get ourselves some crabs. This is Sunwest Park. It's located right by Pasco Hernando border. I think it's in Pasco, Florida. So let's go check this festival out. You ready?
Yep, you guys, this is an annual festival. They've been doing it for 5 years now. So if you haven't been, it'll happen again next year. So let's check it out.
All right, here we go.
Volley.
Holy cow, look at all these cars. Did you realize that this was gonna be like a super popular event?
Nope.
We had to park in the boonies. Good thing I got my walking shoes on. Justin Timberlake's gonna be here.
Tribute.
This is just a tribute. A matter of opinion. If you guys can name who sings that song, you win 50 Sean bucks.
What? Green Day.
No.
Big Bird.
And
what is exciting about you, Paul? Tell us.
We're a locally owned radio station. We target Hernando County. We're called WZEU 102.9 FM The Mermaid, and we play all the hits from the 80s, 90s, and today. We target like Citrus County, a little bit of the Pasco County, Wesley Chapel, Brooksville, Spring Hill, Wekiwachi. So we're up and coming. We've been around for 6 years, and we're taking the station to a whole different level.
Yes, 102.9
The Mermaid. You can like us on Facebook. Please like, share us, tune us in. 102.9 FM The Mermaid.
We just got here a little bit ago. I mean, we've met the event coordinators, we've met the local radio station. It has just been absolutely phenomenal. What is the main reason why people come to these festivals?
To do something in my community that is festive. So people are dancing, they're drinking, and guess what else they're doing?
Eating! So here are some of the food carts, and we're gonna find ourselves something to eat. I pick what you eat and you pick what I eat.
Okay, so you want crab cakes?
Okay.
And what was what were you gonna get?
I'm gonna order the lobster rolls.
That's what we're at a lot.
You're not at a lobster roll. I'm gonna order the jambalaya.
Like, guess what?
Son of a mother. Okay. Mahi mahi.
You have to be kidding me.
What do you have?
So Sean is going to have what? Crab cakes?
Crab cakes? And you're gonna have the calamari.
Which I don't think I've had calamari before.
Here we go. I'm going first. All right. So she got me the crab cake. Bottoms up.
I like crab cake.
That's pretty good.
Okay, scale of 1 to 5.
1 to 5?
5's the best.
I'm gonna have to go 5.
Really?
That's really good.
So if I made you crab cake at home, you would eat it?
Oh, absolutely. That's really good.
Noted.
Okay, your turn. Calamari.
Well, I've never had calamari, so I don't know if I'm supposed to eat it.
I don't even know what calamari is.
I don't think I know either.
Is it like squid? I think it's squid.
Is it? Google that. It tastes fishy.
It tastes fishy. So 1 to 5.
3.
Oh.
But only because I feel like there should be a sauce with it. You eat these with your fingers?
Yeah, they're a little bland.
It's really bland. Oh my god! Look! It is a squid! I dare you to eat it.
I ain't afraid. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it.
Ew.
I don't like squids.
Is this what it's supposed to look like too? I've never seen that.
Hey everybody, this is Jack, our county commissioner, and he's here to tell you guys a little bit about what we're going to be doing for the community and what kind of exciting things are coming up for Spring Hill.
Or Sunwest.
Or Sunwest.
Well, Sunwest Park has come a long way in just a few years, and I will say, right now we got a great event going on out here to benefit the whole community. You're going to see this whole area that's like 600 cars to be a paved parking lot. We're going to put a walkway that's going to go around the whole lake you see back behind us. That'll connect everything, so we do like 5K runs to help even more charities and just let people enjoy themselves a little bit more. Along the channel, which runs right up to the Gulf for about 3/4 of a mile, we're going to put a whole bunch of floating docks out there too. So down the road, you'll be able to bring your boat, dock it for the weekend if you wanted to. In tides that'll be as low as 7 to 11 feet, mean low, that you can keep it there all weekend and just have a good time out here.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Jack, thank you so much. I really appreciate you.
I thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Okay, hey everybody, so I'm ordering my favorite drink, Bud Light, from Paula, who has this awesome foundation. It's the Stano Foundation, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's really special.
So I am the founder and president of the Stano Foundation, and we are an all-volunteer board. And what we do is we send care packages to our troops who are actively deployed, whether it's stateside or overseas, regardless of what branch they're in. This is kind of like what the care package looks like. There's normally about 47 to 50 items in here, some cereal, some coffee, some snacks.
Do people go on your website if they want to help be a volunteer?
Go to www.stano.org, or they can go on our Facebook page, which we are under the Stano Foundation. Everything is normally posted there.
Okay.
They can email us. It's info@stano.org, or they could call us, which is 888-789-4994.
You guys make sure you do it ASAP. This is a great cause. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Hey everybody, so I'm here with Pappy Jack and his wife. They have this really cool laser design company, and I wanted them to share it with you.
Okay, well, it started about 3 or 4 years ago. I was originally just cutting windshields, motorcycle windshields out of plastic with a jigsaw. Bought a laser machine, and my wife had the idea for night lights, and then we got a man cave signs, and kind of went from there. So,
Something for the guys, something for the women, you know.
right?
They like to shop too when the guy's looking at the windshield, so.
If I wanted something The Walking Dead, they could do it for me.
Yep.
How do we contact you if we want to buy something?
www.pappy-jacks.com.
So this one's my favorite.
Oh, hey, I can see myself.
Known as the clean version. What you gonna do when all that beat so real? Haters gonna say it's fake. So real. Haters gonna say it's fake. So real. All the haters gonna say it's
Wow, that whole event was amazing. It was so much fun. I think both of the musical people were great. I think the arts, the crafts, a guy cutting wood up with a chainsaw.
102.9, we have a station in Spring Hill and Brooksville that is classic rock for the most part.
102.9, you know, it's fun to come out to these local events because we get so caught up into our normal daily life. You know, you go to work, you pay your bills, and sometimes you just don't have the energy to come out here. Even me today, we went out to the dog park this morning, and I was like, man, like, I'm pretty tired. I don't know if I have it in me to go do this. And she's like, Sean, we're gonna go do this. I'm like, okay. I had so much fun. I met interesting people. All the people that we had on the vlog today, phenomenal people. Cool dude driving his RC truck up and down the beach. Like, you miss out on this stuff sometimes when you're just kind of tired and you don't want to get out and break the norm. But
Break the norm.
Yep, break the norm. Go out on the weekends, attend these really fun festivals, embrace what's going on in your community, and go meet out some interesting people. And now we are going to go home to our 14 animals.
13.
13 animals.
And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. Or maybe even watch our playlist. We've got tons of challenges and adventures that you're going to want to see. Thanks. Okay, love it.
All right, guys. Peace out. Till next time. At the next event, have a good one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.